we'll be looking at the best currency pair to trade for 2025, because we can't just trade heavy currencies this year, because if you are trying to trade heavy currency, you will not be profitable. Look out for the currency that has the trend in the higher time frame, which is the bigger picture of the chart, to trade than trading on all currency you see, every currency you see. No, if you trade every currency, trust me, you are not going to make that much profit. Trust me. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the best currency pair to trade 2025, which I have two best currencies to trade, which is the Australia USD and the USDCAD. So we'll be going with the Australia USD first. Australia USD on the monthly chart has a series of lower high. So long we have this trending downtrend structure on Australia USD, and the structure is very sweet to trade. This structure is one of the best structures. So long we have the downtrend structure and price has closed below this, break this significant swing level and still remain in downside, we expect Australia USD to continue to push lower, because price need to complete this swing level on the Australia USD. We expect price to complete this structural level. So let's look at the weekly structure of the Australia USD. But before we look at the weekly structure, let me draw out a key resistance that is pushing Australia USD back to the downside now. This particular resistance level, Australia USD has tested this resistance level more than twice. So long price tested this level more than twice, we expect price to drop from this particular level. This is the third time price is testing this level now. So we expect price to drop from this particular level this coming month. So let's look at the weekly chart on the Australia USD. Australia USD on the weekly chart, we check the trend, we have a series of lower high. So long we have this series of lower high on the Australia USD, we expect price to continue to push lower. But we have a structural break here now, which confirms Australia USD for major drop for these coming weeks and months. So long we have price, we have this structural low and price went up. Price has been on a sideways since 2023. You can see price has been on a sideways before price now break this low. So price has break this structural low now. So long price break this structural low, we expect price to do a retest, and price did the retest. Now what we expect of price now, we expect price to continue to push lower for the Australia USD. So our target, we expect price to test this next level before we see a retest. Then we see further price pushing lower for the Australia USD. So we expect resumption of downtrend on Australia USD this coming week. So long we have this downtrend structure on the weekly chart, and we also have it on the monthly chart, that shows that Australia USD is super for this year for the dropping. So these are the only pairs that can give you more money this year. So let's look at the daily chart of the Australia USD. On my daily chart, we are currently see have a sideways structure on the Australia USD. So long we have this sideways structure, we expect the Australia USD. What we expect on Australia USD now, we expect price to break this low, this swing low, then we expect to pull back for to start to sell the Australia USD. For now, Australia USD still remains on the sideways on the daily chart. So look out for a break of this swing low, then wait for a retest, then start to sell the Australia USD to the downside. So these are the best pair to trade for the year 2025. So let's look at the next pair, which is the USDCAD. USDCAD on the monthly chart still remain uptrend. You can see from my monthly chart, price has closed above this particular resistance on the monthly chart, and price now later went back and test this same level. So long price failed to close below it, we expect price to resume uptrend. Then you can see from the structure of the USD CAD, we have a series of higher low. So long we have this series of higher low and price break high and price also on the support level on the monthly chart, we expect the USD CAD to push higher this month. So we expect price to continue to trend higher. We'll be expecting price to move to this next level. So we expect price to move to this, to complete this structure on the monthly chart before this year run out. We expect the USD CAD to complete this structure on the monthly chart. So let's look at the weekly chart of the USD CAD. So on my weekly chart, you see that we still have a uptrend structure, which means we have a series of higher low. So long we have this series of higher low on USD CAD, we expect price to continue to push higher for the USD CAD. And so long we have this uptrend structure, you expect the USD CAD to resume what? Uptrend. And you can see that we have a strong support at this level already. And price failed to break this strong support level. So long price failed to break this strong support level, we expect price to what? To push higher from this level. So we expect price to push higher from this level with our target this area, then a retest of price continuation for the USD CAD. You can see that from the monthly and the weekly now we have the same structure for uptrend. So long we have this structure for uptrend on the weekly and the monthly, this shows that USD CAD has a good momentum for buying opportunity. So let's look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, we also have a uptrend structure already, which we have a lower low, higher low, and a higher low. So long we have this confirmation of uptrend structure on the USD CAD, USD CAD is good to trade this coming week and this coming month. So all you have to do now is look for buying opportunity on the USD CAD to the top. So these are the pairs that are good to trade for 2025. But let me break an entry jam for you for the USD CAD this coming week, because I'm expecting to trade this trade also on the USD CAD. Let me break down the entry. On my 4-hour chart now, we're taking the trade from my 4-hour chart with a price action candlestick from this support level on the weekly zone. So my target will be on this support zone. We have a support zone here. I'll be expecting price to retest back this zone. I will then be looking for price action candlestick for me to buy from this zone to the top. So if I'm buying the USD CAD now, I'm expecting to make nothing less than 500 pips on this USD CAD. So the plan is to make 500 pips on this USD CAD. So what we expect a retest to this zone, then we expect price to push higher to this level. So if we are not making, let me use it. So we are making nothing less than 600 pips on USD CAD. That's what we expect now from the USD CAD. So these are the best pair to trade in 2025, because we can't just trade any pair. Because if you are trading a sideways pair, if you are trading a pair that's on sideways, you are expected to lose more than making more profit. But if you are expected to trade, if you are trading a pair on a trending market, you make more money than trading a pair on the sideways. Find this yearly analysis helpful? Like this video and subscribe to our channel.